Killa Cam.
What's up?
What you doing?
Taking the shocks off.
What you taking the shocks off for?
I don't know. That's the man right there. He never told me. I just do what he tells me to do.
We're getting ready to go to a different track. Our road course weekends are over.
Yeah.
So,
Our cousin.
yeah.
We gonna work on a car. Go practice a little bit.
Now, there's a lot of preparation to get ready for Winter Nationals. So we got a lot of work to do, and just out here putting some work in, you know.
Yeah.
But,
Get ready. Florida.
yeah, that's right. So, all right, guys, we're gonna get back to work. We'll bring you along with us here in a little bit. So, as Killa Cam says, peace. Bandolero.
Got him putting the monkey stands. Are they gorilla or monkey?
Gorilla.
No, monkey. Oh, he's popping a wheelie. What's up, Killas? It's your boy Killa Cam here, and today we're going to Citrous County Speedway in Florida, and we're gonna go run the bando there. We just got done getting our tires from Black's Tire, one of our biggest supporters, and we got my second biggest supporter over here.
Peace.
And I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Woo!
Recording right there. No, you're gonna hold it. You got it. Come on, go. Did you look both ways?
No. I'm here to pick up Killa Cam's tires.
Whose?
Killa Cam's tires.
Okay.
Oh, I know. Here, buddy.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Good luck tonight. Good luck this week.
Thank
you.
you.
On all week?
All week.
Where y'all racing at?
What, Citrus County in Florida.
Where's that at?
It's about an hour from Daytona.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're leaving Wednesday to go to Daytona, so.
Are you? Well,
Yeah,
come on down.
I'm
It's
right down there.
Yeah, 45 minutes or so.
Okay.
So, come down there and see the old Black's Tire Bandolero on Victory Lane. How about
See Killa Cam. Don't you stick it in the damn wall now.
that?
Don't you stick it in the wall.
Say no promises, huh?
No problem.
Thank you.
Bye, buddy.
Appreciate it, buddy. Alright, after 1 hour later of coming over here and loading up the camper.
Oh, Lord. I didn't know. It didn't feel like 1 hour. It felt like 30 minutes.
Yeah. But this is where I was raised at right here.
You raced here?
Raised.
Oh, yeah. You got raised here.
Yeah. Right down there, son. That's where your old pops learn how to work on go-karts and race cars, all back there in that shop back there.
And behind that house, there's his go-kart body's back there.
Let's go.
Uh-huh.
Talk about a has-been.
It has been.
You know what a has-been is?
Mm-mm. No one
Somebody that used to be decent. Now we're just a has-been. All right, enough depressing stories. Let's hit the road.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it. Come on. Man, cut him off. Cut him off.
Go. Stop the guy.
Cut him off. Yeah. And
Oh, look at that crate car. Look at that.
we gone.
Look at that car.
Yeah, and that's what these guys, they're pinnacle, aren't they? They should just be able to flip a switch and then
Like, what do you mean? Like,
Give the cameras a high five. Give the camera a high five. Now get sturdy. Get sturdy. No. Get sturdy or else I'll. My shoes are hurting. You mean rip you?
And then we go right over the caution. Put us
Alright, have fun on track. Alright, 3,
All right, so when it's dry, the white line on the outside would be easier to see, but we're gonna hug the wall, right, coming down the front stretch, and then we're gonna put our left side tires on this asphalt patch. Show me where I'm talking about, Cameron. Just walk regular, son. All right, we don't want to be on that. We want to be up a little bit on the next one. So we're going to try to split that patch, right? There's no white line, right? But when you start to pick up that white line, that's kind of your point to kind of slowly start turning it in.
Shut it off. You're missing the wheel. You're missing the wheel. Let's shut your motor off. Turn your motor off. All right, start unbuckling for me. You're missing the wheel.
I'm okay, yeah. No, hold up.
You got it? Negative. We good. I see the record to the blue tube over here. Got it? JK or anybody in the back, can y'all bring the wheelie from the tech trailer? Let's wheel the second one to the inside.
Yeah, grab the wheel and tire. And the clutch drum. What?
Yeah, the clutch drum.
Break the crank? It might have.
No, that's not ours. That's not
Keep it anyway. Keep it.
Is it the other girl?
Take your helmet off, buddy.
It ain't hurt, man.
Hey, the GoPro's still rolling.
My dad told me it's fun to be a fast car.
Yeah, unfortunately, when you're out there with so many people, it's hard to dodge you.
Yeah, that's why y'all always do early.
Yeah.
That's right.
Well, we gotta get shit out.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah. Alright, Killers, we just got done with our last practice. We were pretty fast all day. Finished top 3 and a few practices ago. And this practice, a car spun out right in front of us. We rammed right into him head on. We bent in the rear clip, and yeah. So now we're gonna stay up all night working on this. So, hey, probably be in a fast car. Let's go.
What was that?
I had to beat that one out. Hi, Laquan. I'm Travis. Cam's dad. How was your practice today?
It was pretty good.
Yeah, yeah. Car pretty fast?
Yeah, it was fast.
How was your weekend in Albandale?
It was pretty fun. I won, and sometimes I wrecked, but it was overall pretty fun.
Yeah, good seat time. You ever been there before?
No, that was my first time there other than
Yeah,
testing.
I got it. Cool. So you will be racing for 5, 6, 7, so roughly 14, 15 days in a row?
Yeah.
You're living the dream, man.
Yeah.
I hear you. Where are you from?
I'm from South Carolina.
I hear you. We are too. We're from Conway. Where are you from? In South Carolina. Where at? What town?
Fort Mill.
Fort Mill? Okay, cool. Pretty close to Charlotte then. So Cam, Cam can't race that much because he only missed 10 days of school. So he's already missed too many days of school racing, so we couldn't go.
Hey, racing's more important.
Negative.
To me it is, to him it's not.
Yeah, no doubt, right? Well, Quan, good luck tomorrow, man.
Thanks.
Josh, what we got going on here, bud?
Moving some horns.
There you go.
After that,
Yeah, we didn't got the
Beep, beep.
rear shifted back over. It was knocked out. Killa Cam killed this one for sure.
All right, Zach.
Yeah, we'll get it back.
Killa Cam, ladies and gentlemen. Get it.
Alright, got her back together. It's about an hour and a half later. Got the motor in it, going around the scales now. So, doing a little bit of damage. It don't look as good as it did. But we're back rolling. Killa. You on camera, bud?
I am?
Yeah.
I'm tired, okay?
Yeah.
He's making me stay up till like 12.
Yeah. It's about 12 o'clock, so we're doing a final scale and get it ready to rip. You ready to go tomorrow?
Yes, I'm ready to go to sleep also.
Get some
Night.
sleep.
Yes, tonight.
Peace out.